on how to use the image export script to back up any images on your 427 cluster. So this script can be found on the Aries-Strato scripts repository, and it can always just be grabbed from this link. So here I have a demo lab, and we're going to demonstrate it on these two images, Xenial Cloud and New Suros. So the first step is we want to SSH to the node, and the script will by default back the image up into Moncala 0. And just to confirm that you have enough space on Moncala 0, from the node you can just run zpool list. You can see on Moncala 0 you have plenty of free space. So what we want to do now is just grab the script. So we can just do a quick wget. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and convert the script to an executable. And if we run the script, we'll get a help. It basically just goes through the steps. So we want the source username, source domain, source password, source cluster name, and source image ID. So we'll go ahead and give it the information. So we'll go admin, cloud admin, and my password is admin here, and the cluster address is going to be, in this case it's 10.16.145.191. Okay, and the source image ID. So we'll start with Xenial Cloud, and this is the image ID we want. You can get the image ID from the UI very quickly. You can also just click the image ID. This is the image ID we want, not the AMI ID. We want the Symfony ID, which is a UUID. Paste that here. And then at this point we can press enter, and it'll basically go through. It'll grab the snapshot ID. It'll convert that into a volume, attach it to the node that we're running it from, in this case Strato node 0, and it'll then kick off a QEMU conversion, and then it'll kind of clean up everything in the background, and then what you're left with is a QCOW2 file on your node, and at that point it's your responsibility to SCP that over to wherever you want, whether it's a backup destination or another cluster, or an external hard drive even. So we'll kind of let that do its thing. There we go. So if we go to 0 and we grep QCOW2, great, lovely. You can see the Xenial Cloud right here, and these are actually just some other QCOW2s from previously when I was testing out the script. And just to do one more, maybe I'll delete the rest of these.
Oh, you're here.
Sorry, give me 1 second, sorry. Someone just tried to steal my room. I think we're still recording. Yeah, we are. Okay, so anyways, we'll remove the rest of these. Okay, so start this over again. So let's go back and go back to images, go to New Suros, and grab the image ID. Okay, and I believe I put the script in the root folder. No, I did. So go image, export. Just to double check source username. So admin, cloud admin, password is admin, source cluster address, and include the HTTPS, even though it's going to log in using plain text and unsecured. It's still important to include it. and the source image ID. Okay. And we'll press enter. And this should be fairly quick because the source image is quite small. And there we go. So we can do else just to double check. And there we have it. All right, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.